Shri Krishna, everyone. So today I am going to Puri, and before I go to Puri, I thought I'll just make this video quickly about Jagannath Ji, the Lord of the universe. As the name says, Jagannath, he is the God of the gods. He is Shri Krishna. He is the universe himself. From the tantric aspect, Jagannath is said to be in the form of Bhairava, and his consort Bimala is said to be the Bhairavi over here. Okay, and it also means that Lord Jagannatha is representing as the Kala, the Kal Bhairava, and the goddess Bimala here is representing the Kala Bhairavi. Okay, and another interesting factor about this particular area or this place is that the Bhairav over here is representing the sun. So here some special rituals are conducted in the morning to worship Surya Narayan, and of course, even Bimala, the consort of Jagannatha, is said to be on the Ratna Mansana, okay, and that is the Bhairavi Chakra, okay. Bhairavi Chakra is said to be drawn near the Ratna Simhansana and or the Vedi in the Jagannatha temple, and Sri Jagannatha is installed on the Sri Chakra. And even the image of Bhairava is installed on the Ratna Simhamsana. So several temple images of the Bhauma period depict the Ekapada Bhairava, carved in the form of a wooden pillar with the big round eyes that characterizes the Ugra form, a tiger skin on his hips, and the Urdhava Lingam, like the lions, at the gates of the temple of Jagannatha Puri. Some also say that Jagannatha represents the Dakshina Kali. Now this is the most interesting part which I've come across, and I thought I'll share it with the audience, that Jagannatha is also said to be the Dakshina Kali, the most famous deity of Odra, or the Utkal in the tantric aspects or the texts like the Kalika Purana. You have also the mention of the same thing in Rudrayamala, in the Brahmayamala, in the Tantrayamala also, and in the tantric section or the tantric tradition, Jagannatha is worshipped with the Bij mantra Klim and sits on the Kali Jantra as Dakshina Kalika. So the Kalika Purana says that Udrakyam Prathama Pitham Dvitiyam Jala Sailajam Tritiyam Purna Pithantu Kama Rupam Chaturthakam. Okay, so among the tantric pithas, the first and the foremost is the Udra or Udayana, which is Orissa. The second is Jalashaila. The third is the Purna Pitha. And the fourth is the Kamarupa. And Devi Bhagavatam says that Shrishti Bhuta Mahashakti Manipura Nivasini Vimlasa Parashakti Udayana Pureshwari Anjuna Dehi Me Devi Bhairoyoke Mamambike Madhavaha Bhairava Sakshat Pranotosmi Jagatpate. So in Odisha, Vimla is the Parashakti and the Pureshwari, the source of the creation of the universe, residing in the center of the jewels. I offer my homage to you, O goddess, together with your Bhairava, that is Madhava. Please bless me. And the basic mantra used in the Jagannatha temple for daily worship is Klim Krishnaya Govindaya Gopijana Vallabhaya Namah Klim Kam Devaya Vidmahe Pushpa Banaya Dhimahi Tanno Nanga Prachodayat. It means I offer my worship to Krishna, Govinda, the beloved of all the gopis. May Ananga, Kamadeva, inspire us. I meditate on Kamadeva, who carries the arrow made of flowers. I'll come back again with more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.